Good morning, dear student. Dear student, your chapter 6, Start to Q Basic Programming is running. Okay. So in the last class, you read about the what is the Q Basic and what is the Q Basic programming language. Okay. So that full form basic beginners all purpose that symbolic instruction code is programming language. Okay, so what is the basic that means beginners all purpose symbolic instruction code. Okay, that's beginners all purpose all purpose symbolic instruction code. Okay, student, that's beginners all purpose symbolic instruction code is a programming language. Okay, that's today we shall discuss about the question answer. So first of all, just let's revise about this chapter. Okay, that's basic is a programming language and Q basic is a successor of basic. Okay, yes, and this is a package of MS Office. Okay, yeah, this is developed by Microsoft. Okay, yes, and next things, RAM. A RAM is non-executable statement, that means code which is used to write remark in a program. Okay, and what is command? So command to perform some specific task. Okay, student, that's by command. Okay, by command use the Q basic programming language. That means command के थ्रू स्टूडेंट ओके हम Q basic पे वर्क कर सकते हैं. ओके, यस, सो दैट्स कमांड टू परफॉर्म सम स्पेसिफिक टास्क. आपको ऐड करना है, आपको हेडिंग देना है. ओके, सो हम क्या करेंगे, जस्ट टाइप द कमांड. ओके, एंड राइट द कोटेशन एंड दैट सिंटैक्स स्टूडेंट कमांड के थ्रू, दैट मीन्स अंडर आता है. ओके, यस, सो ए वे ऑफ राइटिंग ए पर्टिकुलर स्टेटमेंट. ओके, दैट्स कॉल्ड सिंटैक्स. ओके स्टूडेंट, एंड CLS, दैट्स टू क्लियर screen. CLS is a command. Okay, let is a command. Let command used for a statement used to assign a value to a variable. Okay, yes, print command. What's the work? Print command, so that's to display the output of the program. Okay student, understand? कमांड के थ्रू डिफरेंट कमांड के थ्रू हम लोग स्टेटमेंट को रन कराते हैं. ओके, यस, सो दैट्स ए प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज इज ए सेट ऑफ, you know that well, basic is a programming language. So what is programming language? So a programming language is a set of words, instruction that enable a programmer to communicate instruction to a computer. Okay, clear? A programming language is a set of words, instruction that enable a programmer to communicate instruction to a computer. Okay, yes, and that's Q basic is a programming language developed by Microsoft, uses to write, edit, execute and correct a program. Okay, so just let's start the question answer. First question is multiple choice question. Multiple choice question, that tick the correct answer. Okay, student? Clear? So, what's the first question of this section? A. QBasic screen is also known as, okay, QBasic screen को जाना जाता है, okay. B, that means third option, QBasic editor. QBasic, okay. That's second. B, a statement for giving remark. रिमार्क के लिए स्टूडेंट कौन सा स्टेटमेंट देते हैं? रेम. दैट्स कमांड REM used for remark statement. Okay, and C question, to execute a program which key is pressed. So that's right answer, second, F5. Okay, F5 is the right answer. And the year, next question D, the year of development of BASIC. So first answer 1964. And E, BASIC is a programming language. Programming language. F, the mode in which the program is executed after writing it completely. The third answer, program mode. Program mode. And G, a conditional statement. So student, you know that print command for the print the statement, and int command just end of the statement. But here asking to you a conditional statement. So in conditional statement is if, then, else. Okay, yes. And last answer, H. H, the second option is correct. Beginners all purpose symbolic instruction code. is the right answer. Okay, student. So please take the correct. So complete MCQ. So let's see the second question. Fill in the blanks. Second question. Fill in the blanks. So student, A, basic stands for, write the full form in the blanks area. Okay, beginners all purpose symbolic instruction code. And second, B, fill in the blanks, and fill in the blanks developed basic. So that's program mode and immediate mode developed basic, and Professor John G. Camini and Thomas Kurtz developed basic. Okay, who developed the basic? So write the Professor John G. Camini and Thomas E. Kurtz. Okay. And C, basic was developed in 1964. 1964. And D, the fill in the blanks and the fill in the blanks are two parts QBasic. So first, in the first fill in the blanks, program mode, and second, immediate. Immediate are two parts of QBasic. And E, to execute the program, press the button F5. F, QBasic editor is also known as the QBasic screen. QBasic editor Let command is used to assign the values to the variable. Let command. And at last, fill in the blanks command is used to write at the end of the program. So that's write the end. Okay, student? Complete to your fill in the blanks. Fill that. And complete. Next, state true or false. State true or false. A. Rem stands for remark. Yes, that's true. Okay. B. QBasic is programming language developed by Google. No, false. Developed by Microsoft. Okay. And C. The QBasic screen is also known as QBasic display. No, false. And D. CLS command is used to clear the screen. Yes, right. That's true. E question is basic was developed in 1947. No, never. 1964. So that's false. False. Okay. And last question, go to statement enable you to jump to certain position in a program. Yes, so that's true. Okay, students. So that's your complete MCQ, fill in the blanks and state true or false. So that's next question. Find out which are numeric and which are the character variable. So do the self. And in the next class, student, we shall discuss about the very short answer and long question answer. Thank you so much, students. So please write the answer and learn the question answer. Have a good day.